Hey guys, it's me, Grinding Garage. I don't usually make videos like this, but I hate when this happens, and I'm sure it happens to other people too. So I'm just gonna make a video on how to get your hoodie strings back in. You can even do this at school if you have a mechanical pencil. So what you do is you take your string and you tie it around the lip right under the eraser, like this. Make sure it's not too close, because if you have a huge knot, it won't go through. So make sure that this knot and this knot aren't too close together. You pull it really tight, and you just feed it through. Make sure that you get just either take that off or just make sure you get it through. So it's like it just pops. I don't know what it's supposed to do. So now it's all the way through. I only know two ways that these come out. It really is like people pulling on them or them coming out in the washer. So to fix that, many times I just leave them tied. So you tie like a bow, and especially do this if you're washing your hoodie, or if you're being hunted. Do like that, and then it definitely should not come undone in the washer, or if somebody pulls it. Like, can't help you there really, but it shouldn't come undone in the washer. So thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this helped you out. Please like and subscribe.